Back in 2019, Hyper created the world's first and smallest 100-watt GAN charger, and now they're back with an even smaller HyperJuice stackable GAN charger. As you can see, the HyperJuice stackable GAN charger is super small. The 65-watt version fits in the palm of your hand, and recharge your MacBook Pro at full speed with the compact 100-watt version. Port options include USB-A and USB-C quick charge ports, with a 100-watt version featuring an extra USB-C port. And one of the things that makes this charger so nice and so compact are the fold-away pins, so you can easily store those pins away when not in use. And what's great about this charger is that it doesn't block your power outlet. Yes, it has a built-in 1500-watt outlet, so you can still plug in all of your power-hungry devices. But pay attention, because this right here is what really separates the HyperJuice stackable charger from everything else. And no, your eyes do not deceive you. I just stacked two HyperJuice chargers together, but it doesn't stop there. You can stack up to 16 HyperJuice chargers at the same time. I don't even have that many in the building right now. And honestly, that's really what separates this charger from everything else. You don't have to fight over the outlet, because there are going to be plenty of ports to spare. Indeed, there are more than enough ports to connect and charge all of your devices. And it's all thanks to the innovative, stackable nature of these chargers. You can stack up to 16 chargers for 1600 watts of power. That's 48 USB-C ports and 16 USB-A ports. Yeah, that's insane. And because of the compact design, when you plug it into the wall, it sticks snugly close to the wall, and it won't fall out of the wall easily like these other chargers tend to do. And like I said, it features a 1500 watt built-in outlet, so yeah, you can even plug in power-hungry devices like this. For a limited time, you can get both versions of the HyperJuice stackable charger for half off. Click the link in the description, and special thanks to Hyper for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac.